COVID-19 common signs and symptoms. Here's what you need to know. Signs of COVID-19 usually begin 2 to 14 days after a person has been infected. One study of more than 55,000 cases of the illness in China showed the range of symptoms that can happen with COVID-19, and how common they are. Fever. A fever, also known as a high fever or a high temperature, is not by itself an illness. It's usually a symptom of an underlying condition, most often an infection. Dry cough. A dry cough is a cough where no phlegm or mucus is produced, known as non-productive. A dry cough is irritating and usually associated with a tickly throat. Dry coughs are often caused by viral illnesses such as colds and flu, but they can also be caused by allergies or throat irritants. Fatigue. Fatigue is a term used to describe an overall feeling of tiredness or lack of energy. It isn't the same as simply feeling drowsy or sleepy. When you're fatigued, you have no motivation and no energy. Shortness of breath. Shortness of breath, known medically as dyspnea, is often described as an intense tightening in the chest, air hunger, difficulty breathing, breathlessness, or a feeling of suffocation. Bone or joint pain. Joint pain can be discomfort, pain or inflammation arising from any part of a joint, including cartilage, bone, ligaments, tendons or muscles. Sore throat. A sore throat is pain, scratchiness or irritation of the throat that often worsens when you swallow. The most common cause of a sore throat, pharyngitis, is a viral infection, such as a cold or the flu. Headache. Headache is defined as a pain arising from the head or upper neck of the body. The pain originates from the tissues and structures that surround the skull or the brain because the brain itself has no nerves that give rise to the sensation of pain fibers. Stuffy nose. The presence of increased secretions and mucus in the nasal passages, most commonly arising as a result of a common cold, allergic reaction, or inflammation or infection of the paranasal sinuses, sinus infection. Diarrhea. A condition in which feces are discharged from the bowels frequently and in a liquid form. If a virus or bacteria is the cause of your diarrhea, you may also have a fever, chills, and bloody stools. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.